Now, in addition to the uh, classes that are defined, which are these classes, there is we can also have custom classes for handling exceptions. And let's imagine we have this class which is called error bug, and what this class has is this init method initially, and then we have the second str uh, that will print the output. Now, if we again have a try except block such as this one, we raise this error, which is the error bug, and the value is 1 plus 1. So once we raise that error, the control will go to the except, and in except this does match the name that is specified here. And so in the output, then what we'll have is the value that will be printed for this particular error, which is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So here we have raising an exception and the value that's generated, which is the value of 2.